In this question, we've been told that James want to replace all four of his original springs in his car. The new ones are similar, but their force constant is 4,755 Newton per meter smaller. So when he replaces the original springs, the each spring length expands from 8.55 centimeter to 12 centimeter when there is no load placed on it. So we have been given that the mass of the car is 1455 kg, and the change in length of the spring is delta x is 12 centimeter minus 8.55, which is equal to 3.45 centimeter. And we've been also told that the force constant